will be having full-fledged hospital.
San-Ker, a local organization dedicated to raising awareness about autism, hosted a unique event titled Expression Through Art at its premises in Maulai Mauro today. The program aimed to showcase the talents of children with autism from various special schools. Renowned artists Benedict Skemlang Hinyota and Jaya Kalra graced the occasion as special guests, offering motivation and support to the young participants. In line with the upcoming World Autism Awareness Day on April 2nd, San-Ker is set to organize a walk for autism awareness commencing from Kindailat and concluding at the Mission Compound Community Hall. This initiative aims to shed light on autism as a pressing global health concern. Following the walk, a public discussion will be held at 11 a.m. Speaking to reporters, consulting psychiatrist Dr. Dida Khongla emphasized the importance of including children with autism in such activities. She highlighted the children's use of art as a means to express their emotions and creativity.
Even adults who are having this problem, they have special talents and abilities, so which we are highlighting on this day. So we have, they are expressing their talents through their drawings, their colorings, and so all the emotions are expressed on paper through colors. And tomorrow is the 2nd, which is the main day. We have organized a walk from Kindailat, and we will conclude the walk to Mission, and there we will have a program raising awareness and understanding about this problem.
A Delhi court today sent Delhi Chief